about, earlier on, Fameye was talking to us about his soothing voice. And so what we're going to do is we're going to do a bit of karaoke. It's still Christmas. We're still in the Christmas season. So we're going to have the Christmas songs over here, and you need to sing along and finish the lyrics.
Joy to the world, the Lord is come. Let us receive a King.
Hey, you've been going to church.
Let every heart prepare Him room, and heaven shall sing, and heaven shall sing. And heaven shall sing. He is
Come on, let's go.
To the world. I didn't mean to.
Finish.
I didn't mean to.
Finish.
At least you got the melody right. You got the melody right.
All right, what's the lyrics? Show us the lyrics. What are the actual lyrics?
What's that?
This one I will get down.
Even I didn't know that. I'm not gonna
She
lie.
said this one, I don't know.
Even I didn't know that bit. Next one. Let's go. You got this. All right, Yanko.
Okay.
Silent night,
Hey.
holy night.
Wow.
All is calm, all is bright. Cries the Virgin Mother and Child.
Oh! Let's see if it's right.
Let's see if it's right.
Hey, you got it.
Father and child. Everybody, sleep. Baroski. Hey, guys.
Yeah, man.
I'm done. Shall we do another one? That was fun. You did so well. Hey, you been going to church?
Yeah, those times, yeah.